Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and yet again we are insisting with our Euro and Australian dollar plan. The reason for that is this is Monday and we like to buy calls for end of day expiration date, and then by the time price goes to the upside and still moves to the upside, we will most likely engage into buying puts for end of week expiration date. The reason for that is that this week is extremely important for the currency market as a whole, and while we are trading here binary options but based on the assets from the currency market, this is what we should expect. So we are expecting now, based on the strong retail sales in Australia, we are expecting a retracement for the euro and Australian dollar for the day. So this is the reason why we are buying calls for end of day. And then by the time the ECB is coming after the cash rate in Australia, we are looking for Governor Stevens' statements to be dovish, meaning bearish for the pair, for the Aussie, and that would help euro Australian dollar as well to move to the upside. By the time price is moving to the upside, let's say around the 143 area, we would like to buy puts with end of week expiration date, but most likely that would be the subject of another analysis. What we are looking here from the highs, from my point of view, from these highs here, we are looking at a move to the downside, and this move to the downside comes in a form of double zigzag, so basically in the form of threes, and there you go. We want to buy the retracement for the low. So in terms of Elliott waves from this moment of time on the right side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the fifth wave being extended. So that would be wave A. Then of course we are looking for a B wave that came here. And the C wave to the downside. So A, B, C, and then we are looking for price now to move to the upside, as this is a zigzag. While this is a zigzag, we are looking for the whole structure that started here in the 145 area to actually be an ending diagonal and to travel with zigzags, and the wave that ended here to be a first wave of a bigger degree. So to be a first wave of a bigger degree, and now we are looking for a second wave. Then normally, most of the times, it is an elongated flat that should end around this level. But price should make something like this. So price should make something like this, as an irregular flat most likely, like this, and then like this for the second wave. And there you go. We want to play this move to the upside, and for that, or because of that, we want to buy calls right here, right now, into the 42.28, but with end of day expiration date. By the time price is coming to something like this level here, around 143, then we will look to buy puts, but with end of week expiration date. Most likely we'll have another analysis based on this one. So insisting on euro and Australian dollar with this scenario. The thing is that you don't, when you trade binary options, and actually when you trade anything, so regardless of the asset that you are trading, the thing is that you don't have to go and trade all the pairs or all the setups that you have there. Focus on one, focus on the one that you master or that you know, and then concentrate on it and trade it. So basically what we are doing here is we are buying calls for end of day expiration date. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you very much. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and again we are looking to buy calls for end of day expiration date on euro and Australian dollar, but only as a prerequisite or as the first step into our analysis that should go in the end with buying puts for end of week expiration date. But that is a totally different story, and that is something to be looked for by the time this option expires. If this one expires in the money at the end of the day, then we'll just wait for a retracement level to come into the 143 area before engaging into buying puts. Again, thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses are being, and these trade recommendations are possible due to our generous sponsor here, our official sponsor, Lioneye.